Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today is Labor Day. Happy Labor Day to everybody. We are going to make breakfast today. This is my go-to breakfast, go-to late night snack, just go-to anything. It's quick and easy. Right now I got the griddle all nice and hot. Guess what we're going to make? Fried egg sandwich. I usually use 2 eggs. Now what I like to do to give it like a little kick, I use some mild salsa and some medium salsa. Put it in like in a little thing. I've already warmed it up. And just stir the two together, the medium and the mild. Now you can have your choice while that's cooking. You can have croissants. You can have tortillas. Today I went with toast. Looks like our eggs are doing pretty good. Now the hubby, he likes his yolk hard. I like it a little soft, over medium. Actually, this is the first time I used this griddle. Normally I use my handy little egg pan. I call it my egg pan. It's a non-stick and it's pretty easy and it goes pretty nice. It smells delicious. Would you believe me that this is the first time I ever used propane? As far as cooking, yeah, it is. It's pretty nice. Now, since the chef usually eats last, which I normally do, today I'm going to switch it up since I'm doing the video. The chef's eating first today. Now, at this time, while that egg is sitting there, I take my mild and my medium salsa and I just kind of brush my toast. Now you can use as little or as lot. I just like just a little hint. I didn't put any butter on the toast. I just used the salsa. Now if you want like a little cheese, why not? Just put it there. Today's menu, now serving fried egg sandwich with a glass of OJ. Wow, I have to say I like this propane. Now since I put the cheese on the top, I'm just letting it melt real quick. Yum, yum. OJ. Oh my gosh. Why did I do this? Orange juice and orange juice and toothpaste don't mix. Now, of course, you don't have to be greedy like me. You don't have to have 2 eggs. No. Oh, it's starting to clean up already. I like a little slice of tomato on the side. And I don't know about you, a little salt, a little pepper. Now, while the egg sandwich is cooling down, and I don't like to do dishes, got some hot, well, the griddle's hot. Got some water. And I'm just going to scrape. And what that does is it gets up all that cheese that may have went over the egg. And what I do is just get a paper towel and just clean up. Same thing with my spatula. I just take my water bottle and I just clean it up. Now, obviously I need to use soap and water, but right now while the egg is still warm on the spatula, this is how I clean it. And then I'll run it through the sink here. Once I gotta eat my sandwich first. There you go, clean as a whistle. Same way with the griddle. The griddle is still hot. So I'm just wiping up, like I said, whatever cheese may have went off on the side. This one's being a little stubborn. One more. Now I know it may be a waste of paper towels, but look, if I'm boondocking, I'm saving all my water. It didn't take much water, not at all. Wow, look at that. See my griddle? Clean. Now again, I will use soap and water. But right now, I don't want to have to sit there and scrub and scrub and scrub. The griddle's already hot. It's working for me. You spray a little water, and with your spatula, you just sit there and you just scrape up. You can do it with a hamburger or whatever you're cooking. Today I'm just doing my eggs. Okay, here's the taste test. We have 2 fried eggs with just a little bit of salsa. Got my side of tomatoes because I like tomatoes. Here we go. I don't know how to dance. That is delicious. But I didn't get much egg. I gotta go in for a second bite. Got that little kick in the back of your throat with the salsa. That is delicious. And there you go. Ooh, dropped a little salsa. Breakfast. It can be breakfast. It can be a late night snack. It can be a snack for anything. But this is quick and easy. It didn't take much cleanup. Just a little bit of water. I didn't sit there and waste and go through my whole fresh water tank. I didn't do that. Hot griddle, do it immediately. I know you want to eat the sandwich real quick. I do too. But I usually bite it and then I burn my mouth and my husband laughs at me. So I've learned to set the sandwich down, leave it open so that it can cool off. And it took me, just a couple seconds just to spray a couple times to clean with the spatula. We're good to go. You guys have a great Labor Day weekend. Have a great Labor Day. The weekend's over. And we'll see you later. Thanks for coming back. This is AdventurousJeriLynn. We love to see you. You take care. Stay safe out on the open road. Bye-bye.